So good morning, engineering buddies. Let's continue to our additional problems in solution of right and oblique triangles. So A, B, and C, D are two buildings of height H and H. Yung A, B is big letter H and yung C, D small letter H respectively. The angle of elevation of A from C and D are theta and 45 degrees respectively. Find the H. So lumabas daw to noong May 2017 CE board exam under MSTE. Okay? Sige. Try natin. First things first, draw a figure. Ano ba gagamitin natin? Wala kasi tayong building eh. Drawing ko na lang ng freehand. So, meron tayong building dito. Ayan. Tapos meron pa tayong isa. Sige, buray natin. So, meron nga pala tayong rectangle dito. Delete natin, guys. So, meron tayong isang building. Copy. Paste. Ayan. Tapos, sabihin natin mayroon tayong ground. Sabihin lang natin na same ground sila. Yan. So, ito daw, ang building AB, CD, which is ito, may height na H. Ito naman may height na H. The angle of elevation of A from C are theta. So, let's draw a line of sight. So, sabi dito, angular elevation from A to C guys, kaya inayos ko na konti yung drawing kasi para ma-visualize natin ng maayos. So, alam natin, kapag sinabi natin angle of elevation from A to C, ito siya. So, dito, meron kasabi theta. Tapos, may isa pa daw na angle of elevation. Ito namang from A ulit to D. Ang sabi is, ito naman daw ay 45 degrees. So, yan. Kompleto na yung figure natin. Find the height H. So, sige. Paano ba natin hahanapin yan? First things first, di ba kapag sinabi natin, ano ba pwede natin gamitin na function? Sabihin natin, mayroon tayong distance between two buildings na D na lang, D. Yan, D. Di pala pwede kasi meron tayong letter D. Sabihin natin X na lang. May distance X tayong building. Okay. Ang pwede natin gawin, tangent 45 is tangent ng 45 degrees is equal siya sa opposite, which is the H, all over the adjacent side, which is the X. So, kapag in terms of pag kinuha natin H is equal to x is equal to h over tangent 45. Next, ang tangent of theta naman is opposite pa rin. Tangent of theta, 45. Kaso hahatiin pa pala natin yung ano no. Saan tayo pwedeng kumuha ng function? Pwede pa rin naman yan. Tangent theta is equal to, ito kasi, alam natin ito, h2 eh. So ito, h minus h. Okay? So tangent theta is h minus h, opposite side, all over adjacent side, which is x pa din. Okay? Tapos, alam natin na x is equal to h minus h all over tangent theta. So, equate natin. Diba ang sabi natin, h over tangent 45 is equal to h minus h all over tangent theta. Okay. Ano ba ang tangent 45? So, calculate natin kung ano ba ang tangent 45. Tan 45 is 1. So, ang ano natin, h tangent theta is equal to h minus h. Gawa tayo ng kabilang papel. Kasi di na siya kasya. So, para i-simplify natin tong h tangent theta is equal to h minus h. Paano natin gagawin? Divide both side by h. Parang x to. So, h. So, paano ba natin si-simplify? Ito, 1 na lang siya. H tangent theta is equal to h minus. Kailangan natin mapalabas tong value na to. Nasa choices. Diba, ang ano natin is h tangent theta is equal to h minus h. Lipat natin yung isang h plus h is equal to h. Okay? And then, common fact. Ito na lang pala, mali. Nagkabaliktad. Yan. H tangent. Tan theta. Tapos, pwede natin gawin, common factor, 1 minus tangent theta. I think napalabas na natin ang sagot. Ayun. So, h is equal to h, 1 minus tangent theta. At ganon. In terms of ano pala, no? Yung find letter h pala, no? So, h is equal to h all over 1 minus tangent theta. So, yan ang sagot natin. Yeah. So, I think it is letter C. C ang sagot natin. So, for more engineering problems, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future problems natin. So, meron na lang tayong last problem for... Alam ko meron pa tayong isang problem eh. Meron pa tayong isang problem sa solution of triangles bago tayo mag-solve ng spherical triangle. So, ito pala siya. Ito yung solve natin mamaya. So, let's keep learning, no? Happy watching and Padayon Engineers.